Want to know the real secret to staying young? It's not a cream or a diet. It's neuroplasticity, and it actually thrives on that exact feeling of being a little bit uncomfortable. When we stick strictly to what we know, our brains go on autopilot. But when you step into the unknown, when you feel that nervous flutter of fear, your brain actually fires up, builds new pathways, and wakes up. Fear isn't trying to stop you, it's just your brain getting a workout. Don't let routine put your life on pause. Say yes to being a beginner again this week. What's something new you're diving into? Let's talk in the comments.